Cross-sticking, what does it mean? It basically means that you're putting your stick across the snare drum just like this and tapping the rim of the stick. I'm sorry, tapping the rim of the snare drum. Tapping the stick to the rim. Now, there's different places that you can do this. You can move it up here. It gives you a particular sound. You can go way back here. You're trying to find that sweet spot. So I suggest you still hold the stick about 1/3 of the way up the stick. Lay your hand flat here. Make sure there's some space in between the bead of the stick here and the inside edge of the rim. Now what's cool about Vic Firth sticks, they have the marking of the size of the stick right there. It's kind of faded, but you can see that. But basically, you know, it's about that far from the butt of the stick. There it is. See you next time. Bye-bye.